Hi everyone, welcome back to Edu4Sure, and now we are starting with Tableau interview preparation question and answer series. So this is the first video. We are starting with Tableau. We would be answering 5 questions in this video, and then we would be coming up with more videos in the same domain. Let's start with the first question. So what is Tableau? This can be one of the best questions we can have when the recruiter or the companies are checking your Tableau capabilities. You should be able to define the subject, define the domain, right? So you can say Tableau is a powerful BI and data visualization tool, that allows users to connect to various data sources, create interactive dashboards, and generate insightful reports. So I have ticked all the keywords you need to cover in your sentence, in your statement, right? First of all, it's a very powerful BI tool. BI means business intelligence tool, right? It is helping you with data visualization. You can connect it with multiple or various data sources. You can create interactive dashboards and generate insightful reports. So you have to cover all these keywords. It is industry's most potent and fastest tool for visualization data. So you can talk about these features as well along with the definition, right? What are the different data connection options available in Tableau? So if you know Power BI, like we have a long list of data connectors in Power BI, and similarly, we have a long list of data connectors here in Tableau as well, right? So Excel spreadsheet, text files, databases, some of the examples have been given in the bracket, web data connectors. These are the files. Where to see it? You know, how you will get to know about it when you are opening Tableau tool. So let's go to Tableau tool and I will show it to you how to see this. So basically, look at this file. This is a Tableau file I have created while doing a project. If you go to the main screen, the start page, this is called the start page. You can see here this section, connect to a file. So these are the file options. To a server, these are the server options, right? And in the server, the databases are here basically. So server means databases. And these are the files. So these are the data connectors you have in Tableau. So you can check it from here also. And if you want to answer the question with 2-3 sources like this, you can take the names from here also. What is the difference between a dimension and a measure in Tableau? So a measure is something we can measure, right? Like for example, a numerical value, sales, profit margin. This is something we can quantify, correct? Dimension is something non-numerical value, like my name, correct? Product name, product category, product subcategory, something qualitative, which we cannot quantify. So if you want to know the exact definition, how to say this, a dimension is a categorical or qualitative variable. A measure is a quantitative or numerical variable. Question number 4, which is the schema we use in Tableau? So this is a very interesting question because there is a history, there is a journey behind this question. When Tableau was launched in 2004, it used to use data joining concepts, right? But it had major issues, major limitation. So what happened in 2011, there was a change introduced in Tableau and the schema was changed to data blending. And it took a long time of 7 years, you know, and after that, it took 9 years to find the shortcomings of data blending. And finally, they shifted to data relationship. And now this is the permanent schema we have in Tableau. So we follow data relationship. We are not using joining and blending anymore in Tableau. So if you want to learn these 3 concepts in detail, how to do this, you know, what was data joining, how we used to do that, what was the shortcoming, then why we shifted to blending, what was the shortcoming in data blending, why we shifted to relationship and all that, and do it practically, then our course is having all the details of all the 3 schemas. So you can subscribe to our course on testformula.com and learn these concepts with us. What is the difference between a live connection and an extract? So basically, if you go to Tableau, screen here, you will see two options coming there, right? Like, for example, if you go to data source here, this is the data source, you can see connection and there are two options, live and extract. So this is the question they are asking about. What is the difference? When to go for live, when to go for extract? So let me explain that. Tableau data extracts help us with the analysis based on the data being loaded into the system memory to be quickly recalled for visualization. So whatever data you have imported, all the analysis will be done totally on the basis of that. It is like my Tableau file is always connected to my main source. For example, I imported the data from the Excel sheet, right? And it stays connected to Excel sheet. But if we are taking extract, what will happen? It will only do the analysis with the data which has been imported in Tableau, right? If we are updating the Excel sheet with more data and we want that whatever analysis we are doing, that analysis should consider the newly added data also. It should keep fetching the data from Excel into Tableau and keep updating the charts. So I'm talking about real-time updates. So if you want that to happen, you have to take live. So this is the difference. So let's read this sentence also. Live connections offer the convenience of real-time updates with any changes in the data source reflected in Tableau. So this is all about the first 5 questions in Tableau. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you are liking this series introduced by us. And if you feel it would be helpful for somebody else as well in your circle, please feel free to share. Thank you so much.